Well, I like turning wood. It's what I love to do. When I'm turning wood, it makes me feel good. I put wood on the lathe. I make shavings fly. But I always wear my safety glasses so none get in my eye. Because I'm a wood turner and it's what I love to do. So I wrote this song with safety in mind for you. Well, I turn ash and oak, I turn sycamore and yew. When I finish turning, I know just what to do. I put on my face mask when I sand work fine. Oh, I don't forget to do it. I do it every single time because I'm a wood turner and it's what I love to do. So I wrote this song with safety in mind for you. Oh, some will ignore safety and some they will mock. But if you want a happy marriage, buy yourself a smock. Keep your workshop tidy, keep it nice and neat, and buy yourself a pair of good boots to protect your feet. Because I'm a wood turner and it's what I love to do. So I wrote this song with safety in mind for you. Well, I like turning wood. It's what I love to do. When I'm turning wood, it makes me feel good. I put wood on the lathe. I make shavings fly. But I always wear my safety glasses so none get in my eye. Because I'm a wood turner and it's what I love to do. So I wrote this song with safety in mind for you. Well, I turn ash and oak, I turn sycamore and yew. When I finish turning, I know just what to do. I put on my face mask when I sand work fine. Oh, I don't forget to do it. I do it every single time because I'm a wood turner and it's what I love to do. So I wrote this song with safety in mind for you. Oh, some will ignore safety and some they will mock. But if you want a happy marriage, buy yourself a smock. Keep your workshop tidy, keep it nice and neat, and buy yourself I swiveled the head round in order to be able to get access into the bore, into the calabash bore easier there. So this is going to be like a calabash on a pedestal, this one here, and it's absolutely gorgeous green. Look at that ripple that's inside there. But the important thing that we've got to think of when we come to turn between centres again, because what I want to do is create a pedestal, is we need to make sure that we have the kiss test done. So loosen off the head on a swivel head layer. This one is my Waver Mac. My little coronet hurdle is also a swivel head as well. I love the swivel heads because you've got so much easier access. So just loosen that off there now, and then I'll pop back in my multi-point drive centre, and I'll bring back the tailstock onto here. The Waver Mac has a tilting tailstock at the end. It's a 3 horsepower motor, this one. I've had it since 2010. I bought it when I was out demonstrating in Belgium from Waver Mac themselves. Well, it was via tool post through Peter Helmsley, and there we can put that onto here and just kiss test onto there. Now that's almost spot on there, just wants a very fraction in there, but tighten it up. But the thing to remember is when you tighten it, to make sure that you don't move it when you nip it up on the nut. So double check on there, that's tight, yeah, that's it there. And there we've got the kiss test absolutely spot on, so that I can do the actual spindle or the pedestal on here. So we'll set up for the pedestal next.